I will just tell you, because it sounds like you don't want to play news show. It was about 11 million jobs created. And let's compare. Pre-COVID, to be as fair as possible, it was about 6.7 million jobs created under the Trump administration. So by that standard, I wouldn't say greatest in history, I would say less than the prior administration.
We're bringing our jobs back. You know, when we had our tremendous numbers and when we had, just prior to the China plague that floated in, we had numbers the best in history for African American, for Hispanic American, and for Asian American, and for everybody.
For the second month in a row, the jobs report vastly exceeded forecasts with a record of nearly 5 million jobs. This brings the 2-month gain to approximately 8 million jobs.